Headaches are a common health problem. Most people experience them at some time. Factors that lead to headaches may be emotional, such as stress, depression, or anxiety. Medical, such as migraine or high blood pressure. Physical, such as injury. Environmental, such as the weather. Frequent or severe headaches can affect a person's quality of life. Causes: a headache can affect any part of the head and pain may be present in one or several locations. Headaches can cause various types of pain, and classifying the pain can help a doctor reach a diagnosis. Doctors also categorize headaches based on whether an underlying health condition is responsible for the pain. In other words, a headache may be primary or secondary. Primary headaches. A primary headache is not a symptom of an underlying illness. Instead, these headaches result from problems involving the structure of the head and neck. A primary headaches may be due to overactivity of specific areas of the brain, blood vessels, muscles, nerves, brain chemicals. Common types of primary headaches include cluster and tension headaches. Also, headaches can result from using medication for the pain too often. In this case, a person has a medication overuse headache, and this is another type of primary headache. Secondary headaches. These are symptoms of underlying medical conditions. The cause of a secondary headaches may be systemic conditions such as infection, hypothyroidism, giant cell arteritis, a stroke, or a brain tumor. Secondary headaches can result from serious health issues. It is important to seek medical advice if any headache is severe or disruptive, persistent, occurs regularly, does not improve with medication, occurs alongside other symptoms such as confusion, a fever, sensory changes, or stiffness in the neck. Types. Some of the various kinds of headaches include tension type headache. This is a common form of primary headache. The pain usually arises gradually in the middle of the day. A person may feel as if they have a tight band around their head, a constant dull ache on both sides of the head, pain spreading to or from the neck. Tension type headaches may be episodic. These attacks usually last for a few hours, though they can last for several days. Chronic. This involves tension type headaches occurring on 15 or more days per month for at least 3 months. Migraine. A migraine headache may involve pulsating, throbbing pain. It often occurs on one side of the head but may switch sides. During an episode, a person may also experience sensory disturbances such as changes in vision known as an aura. Sensitivity to light or sound. A migraine episode may last from a few hours to 2-3 days. The frequency of episodes can vary greatly. They may occur from once a week to once a medication overuse headache. This was once known as a rebound headache. It occurs if a person uses medication to treat headaches too often. Medication overuse headaches tend to result from taking opiate-based medications such as those that contain codeine or morphine. Beyond the headache, a person may experience neck pain, restlessness, a feeling of nasal congestion, reduced sleep quality. Symptoms can vary and the pain may change from day to day. According to the Migraine Trust, a charity organization based in the United Kingdom, people with migraine often develop medication overuse headaches. These can cause migraine episodes to occur more frequently and become more severe. Cluster headache. These headaches usually last between 15 minutes and 3 hours, and they may occur 1 to 8 times per day. Cluster headaches may arise frequently for 4 to 12 weeks, then disappear. They tend to happen at around the same time each day. Between the clusters, the person may last months or years. Cluster headaches often involve brief but severe pain, pain around one eye, tearing or redness in the eye, a dropping eyelid, a blocked or runny nose, facial sweating. Thunderclap headache. These are sudden severe headaches that people often describe as the worst headache of my life. They reach maximum intensity in under 1 minute and last longer than 5 minutes. A thunderclap headache is a secondary headache that can indicate a life-threatening condition such as aneurysm, reversible cerebral vasoconstriction syndrome, meningitis, pituitary apoplexy. People who experience these sudden, severe headaches should receive immediate medical care. Treatments. Rest and pain relief medication are the main treatments for the headaches. Options include over-the-counter pain relief medications such as inflammatory drugs, prescription pain relief medications, preventive medication for specific conditions such as migraine, other treatments for underlying conditions. To prevent medication overuse headaches, it is crucial to follow a doctor's guidance. Treating medication overuse headaches involves reducing or stopping the medication. A doctor can help develop a plan to ease off the medication safely. In extreme case, a person may need a short hospital stay to manage withdrawal safely and effectively. Alternative and integrative treatments. Several alternative, now known as integrative forms of headache treatments are available, but it is important to consult a doctor before making any major changes or beginning any new treatments. Some of these approaches include acupuncture, cognitive behavioral therapy, herbal and nutrition health products, hypnosis and meditation. Home remedies. Certain care strategies can help prevent headaches or ease the pain. A person could use a heat or ice pack against the head or neck, but avoid extreme temperatures and never apply ice directly to the skin. Avoid stressors, eat regular meals, get enough sleep, exercise regularly. Take breaks when working to stretch and prevent eye strain. Be hydrated. Avoid contact with chemicals or other strong smells.